Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior.
Drinks on him.
Hey queens, it's your girl Azare and I am back with another video. I'm going to be doing my Yeezy unboxing. I purchased the Yeezy Inertias 700 by Adidas. I purchased those shoes and I want to do an unboxing and basically tell you guys where I got the shoes from, price point, and also a shoe try on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And off to this unboxing. So I purchased my Yeezy 700 Boost Inertias. I purchased them on GOAT. I just wanted to break down GOAT. GOAT is basically an online marketplace where they sell shoes, authentic shoes, designer shoes, any type of shoe that you're looking for. Certain shoes they sell from Nikes, Adidas, Yeezys, Balenci's, Off-Whites. I got the GOAT Clean, which in terms and definition, GOAT Clean is basically them cleaning it at the warehouse and shipping it out. So I got them GOAT Clean. I am a woman's 9, so I got these lovely YEEZY Boost in a size 7.5. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get up in there. Yes. So I got these in a size 7.5. I can usually fit an 8 or 7.5, but I got these in a 7.5 and they fit perfectly, and I love these. I love the box. It is cardboard, but the structure of the box, I love how it says Boost 700 made by Adidas. So now we're just gonna open this baby. I got the Inertias in the gray. It's kind of like a baby blue and orange. I love this style when Yeezy, Mr. West came out with his shoe line, his sneakers, his Yeezys. I wanted to get these. I like this style. I love just the dimension of how the shoe is set up. Inside of the box, I did purchase these from GOAT. Inside of the box is a GOAT sticker, and then it also tells me that it's GOAT verified. Basically, the authenticity of the shoe, it tells me that it's GOAT verified. Yes. I heard them some 1 or 2 times before I posted this video, but they are basically look to brand new. Okay, so let's get into the actual detail of this shoe. Inertia 700 Boost comes with a gray upper, gray midsole, and orange accent with a white sole. And these sneakers released in March 2019, and they retail for about $300. Now, I love these. These are fire sneakers, and I adore them. I was not a sneakerhead before, but I became a sneakerhead once I started, you know, working in jobs where I can wear sneakers where I could be comfy, and these are the way to go. I'm gonna actually try them on so you can see how they look on feet as well.
Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? Bow in the presence of greatness. Cause right now that has forsaken us. You should be honored by my lateness, that I would even show up to this fake shit. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Especially in my pastel on my babe shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel. Homie, take 6 and take this. Haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much wronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya. I need you right now. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now. I need you right now. I don't know if you got a man or not, if you made plans or not, if God put me in your plans or not. I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot, but I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front on me? It's a bad.
They were released in 2019, but they are still a popular sneaker and people are still looking to buy and purchase them. So I got them and I just wanted to do an unboxing. A lot of people were asking me to do one, so I definitely came through with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know what you think about the shoes. Let me know if you purchased the shoes and how Yeezy is treating you, because these are one of my favorite sneakers, and Yeezy brand is it. It's popular and it's a great shoe. I haven't heard any complaints about it. If you complain, you probably made it up. I said what I said. And yes, honey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, hit the notification bell to stay updated every time I post a new video. And then until next time, queens, I'm out.
Drinks on 'em.